Like it's 9 to 5. Oh.
It's in now, bro. Okay.
All the shorties on me, me and my guys. Everyone we come through, they lose their mind. Hey, my hope was ridiculous. Everything that was ridiculous. Oh. It's about to get ridiculous.
Guys, we're hiding in Owen's truck right now. We can shoot you. I don't know. Can show us okay. Oh, I just washed my hair. Bro, same. You know what would be funny if we sat in someone else's truck?
Oh my god. Oh
We
god.
drive to like freaking Fresno or something.
Okay, edgy adventure. We can Uber back.
It starts snowing on us. Okay, guys, we literally ran inside this truck, but they're still not out. It smells like chicken over here. What is that? It's gonna sit. It's probably fire wings. Look, guys, there's some pretty fire wings over there. Some fire wings. There's something on fire. You've been in here for like 10 minutes.
Did you know they were there? Well, yeah, obviously.